guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do today's video because I had a company by the name of Next Gadget reach out to me and ask me if I'd be interested in testing and reviewing one of their products. And I was so excited because this is my first PR unboxing and I'm really excited to try this product. It sounds like a really neat product that will work really well. So I'm so excited to open it up and share it with you guys. I thought it would be cool to do it. I thought it'd be cool to do it with you guys since this is my first unboxing, and I love watching unboxing videos. I think it's really super cool to see, all the cool things that people get. So anyway, yeah, I thought it would be cool to share this with you guys. So I just have the one box, but hey, I'm super happy, and thank you Next Gadget for reaching out to me. The lady I have been corresponding with, her name is Zandy. She has been super awesome, and I've really enjoyed, communicating with her. So thank you again, Next Gadget, for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. Okay, so with that being said, I have the box right here, and this is it. So I'm just going to open it up and show you guys what I got. It didn't take long for it to get here. It just took a couple days, I believe, like 2 days. So this is the packaging that it came in, well, inside the box, obviously. So let's open this up and have a look. It feels pretty light, which is good. This is just a portable product. This is a portable air conditioner fan. Okay, so let's see. It's got a little instruction booklet with it. Okay. Alright, and it's just got a little card. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for choosing FITFIRST. Hope you enjoyed this purchase." Obviously, I didn't purchase it, but it's just a thank you card. So really nice, really pretty card. I like the back of it. It's cute. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. And let me get it out of this bubble wrap. You see a little bit better. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like it's maybe, I'm going to guess, maybe about 10 inches tall, 10 to 12 inches tall, and it's pretty lightweight. Let me check these instructions, because I know when I spoke with Zandy, she had mentioned that you do need to add water to it, and let's see. Looks like the instructions come in English, and I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese, so I apologize for not knowing that. Yeah, so it's just got a little instruction manual. Got to make sure you keep it on an even surface, which that's kind of obvious. And then fill water and push back. Okay, so yeah, so you're going to keep it on a flat surface, even surface. And it's just got this little compartment here that just pulls out. Okay, let's go. Helps to unlock it. That makes it much easier. Okay, so yeah, you just pull this out and just add water to it, close it back up, and turn this little dial to lock it. Okay, and then it's got the buttons up here. And I am going to be testing this product out today. I bought a little thermometer from Lowe's for $1. And I put it in, I'm going to test this in my son's room because his room tends to get warmer than the rest of the apartment. So I decided I got this little thermometer and I put it in there, and I'm going to test this in there, and I'm gonna check the temperature before I turn this on, and then again after a few hours to see its progress and see, if it is worth the money. This does retail for $39.99, and it can be bought on Amazon, which is where this product came from. So yeah, I'm going to try it, and I'm crossing my fingers that it's a great product, and I will give it a fair and honest review on this. It looks like a great gadget, so I'm so super stoked to try it out, and I will definitely let you guys know. I am going to test it, and by the end of this video, I will have an honest opinion, an honest review for you guys. So yeah, so I'm going to get started with this, and I will be back shortly in a couple of hours to check in and let you guys know the progress. So stay tuned. Okay, another part that when I pulled this out, this little box was stuck in there, and I wasn't sure if there was anything in it or not, but there is. And after noticing this little plug right here, I figured something was missing. So this is the adapter that goes with it, and you just obviously just plug this in back here, plug it into the wall, and you're ready to go. So, okay, so I'm going to get started testing this, and I will be right back. Okay, checking the thermometer. It looks like it's about 80 degrees in here right now, so I'm going to turn this product on. I've got it filled with water, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to let it run for maybe an hour or so, and I'll come back and check and see how it's doing, see what the temperature is in here. So I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, well, I am back, and I have finished testing this product. So let me just tell you a few more things about the features. It has all the control buttons up here. It's got your power button. It does have a button here, and has 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. And then this button here, I believe, because it has a snowflake, let me show you, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has a little snowflake underneath, so I assume that means if you want it to be a little bit colder, that you would press this button, which is what I did. So I did add a couple of ice cubes, which in the directions or instructions, it did say that you could add water and or ice. So I did both. I added 3 ice cubes, and then the front of it here is really cool because you can adjust the flow, whether you want it to go up, or if you want it to go in a downward motion. So yeah, so I let this run in my son's room for about an hour. I did close the windows, and when I checked the temperature in the room, it was about 80 degrees, and then I let this run only for about an hour, and when I went back and checked, it was still right around 80 degrees, but I didn't take into consideration that this, is a portable product, and it's very small. So it's an air conditioner fan, and it's not a full-size air conditioner. So I really couldn't expect it to cool the room off in a way that an air conditioner would. So I do like this product. It does, feeling the air blowing out, does have a nice flow of cool air, and I really do like it. It's great for a desktop or a nightstand, or any flat surface like that. So, for $39.99, I think this is a worthwhile investment. And I was hoping that this would be a good product. So, for the money, I think it's definitely worth it. Like I said, I put this in my son's room on his nightstand, and I just I put my hand up, and I could feel the nice cool air coming out from it. And it does have a fan blade, or fan blades, I should say, on the inside. So, again, for $39.99, I do think this is a worthwhile product. It's great just to cool, to have a little bit of air blowing on you while you're, sitting at your desk working, or just even at night, on your nightstand when you're trying to sleep and it's a little bit warm in your room. So yeah, I do give this 2 thumbs up. This is a neat little product, and it's very, very lightweight. It probably only weighs maybe 2 pounds, maybe 3 at the most. So yeah, it's very easy to operate, and I think it's a neat little gadget. So I'm really happy that Next Gadget reached out to me and sent this to me, and I'm happy that it is a nice little product. So thank you again, Next Gadget, for reaching out. I really do like this product. It really is a good thing, and it is definitely worth the $40. I'm going to be sure to leave a link down in the description box for you guys. If you're interested in this product and you would like to order it off Amazon.com, you can just click on that link. I'm going to be sure to leave a link down in the description box for you guys. If you're interested in this product and you would like to order it off Amazon.com, you can just click on that link. I do want to clarify that this video is not a sponsored video. This product was sent to me to test and review, but the video itself is not sponsored. So I just wanted to put that out there. But yeah, I am really happy that they reached out to me and sent me this product, and I do recommend it. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you would like to see more of my upcoming videos, please be sure to hit that subscription button down below, and be sure to ring that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything that I upload. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.